Join me as I challenge myself to create 5 stunning bridal makeup looks using only essential beauty products. In this video, I'll be sharing my top bridal beauty essentials and showcasing 5 stunning makeup looks that are perfect for any bride. Choosing the perfect makeup style can be a daunting task for brides, as it has to complement their wedding theme and personal beauty. Brides often look for inspiration online, scrolling through social media and wedding blogs to find the perfect look. However, this can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get lost in the sea of different styles and trends. That's why it's essential to focus on timeless beauty essentials that can be adapted to any wedding theme or personal style. By keeping the makeup simple yet elegant, brides can ensure that they look and feel their best on their wedding day. Every bride is unique, and their makeup style should reflect this. Whether a bride prefers a natural, effortless look or a more glamorous, dramatic style, a stunning bridal look. By investing in these essential products and learning how to use them effectively, brides can create a makeup style that makes them feel confident and beautiful. Let's take a closer look at each of the 5 makeup looks I've created. The first look is a natural, effortless style that's perfect for a vintage-themed wedding. I've used a light foundation and concealer to even out the skin tone and added a touch of blush to give the cheeks a healthy glow. The second look is a more dramatic, glamorous style that's ideal for a modern wedding. I've used a bold eyeshadow palette and a bright lipstick to create a statement look. The third look is a soft, romantic style that's perfect for a whimsical wedding. I've used a pale eyeshadow palette and a natural-colored lipstick to create a soft, ethereal look. The fourth look is a classic, elegant style that's ideal for a traditional wedding. I've used a neutral eyeshadow palette and a bold lipstick to create a sophisticated look. The fifth look is a bohemian, eclectic style that's perfect for a rustic wedding. I've used a bold eyeshadow palette and a bright lipstick to create a fun, playful look. Each of these looks can be adapted to suit a bride's personal style and wedding theme, and by using the right beauty essentials, brides can create a stunning makeup style that makes them feel confident and beautiful. The 5 makeup looks I've showcased are all unique and stunning in their own way, and each one can be adapted to suit a bride's personal style and wedding theme. By personalizing their makeup to reflect their unique beauty, brides can create a look that makes them feel confident and beautiful on their wedding day. The key is to focus on timeless beauty essentials that can be adapted to any style or theme, and to have fun with the process of creating your wedding look. If you liked this video, be sure to check out my other makeup tutorials for more beauty inspiration, and let me know in the comments which of the 5 looks is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.